Hi everyone. So today I just want to take a moment to talk about someone who has had a tremendous impact on my journey in becoming a graphic designer, specifically in media and design, Miss Michele Leacock. So Miss Leacock is not just a lecturer, she's a mentor, she's a guide, and a source of inspiration. From the very beginning, her passion for creativity and innovation has fueled my own drive to excel in this field and to continue to excel in this field. One of the things that I appreciate most was that she made our learning experience very interactive and fun, whether it's through engaging discussions, hands-on activities, or creative projects. She always found a way to make the material come alive. Her personality is infectious, and it makes you want to learn more and do your best. Like, she brings energy and enthusiasm to every class, and it creates an environment that is both educational and enjoyable, and it would make you want to do your work. And it's have very few teachers and lecturers that would make students feel like that. So thanks to Miss Leacock, I have been able to grow not just as a student but also as a creative thinker, and her feedback and insights have been invaluable in shaping my projects and pushing me to reach new heights. I am incredibly grateful for the opportunity to learn from someone as talented and passionate as her. She has not only taught me skills but also instilled a sense of confidence and determination to pursue my dreams in media and design. So, in conclusion, Ms. Leacock is more than just a lecturer. She's a shining example of excellence and dedication in the field of media and design. And I am very grateful for that.